Hi guys, Josh Tharby here, the property tax specialist. Today I'm talking to you about pre-trading expenditure. So you might have heard this term before and you're not entirely sure what it means. Absolutely fine. So pre-trading expenditure, you've got up to 7 years to claim this, and it's basically expenditure that you've incurred before actually starting your business. So if you set your limited company up now, but over the past up to 7 years, you've incurred training expenses, you've gone to view properties, you've got flyers, business cards, website, all those marketing expenses, stationery. You've incurred all of this over the past couple of years whilst the wheels are kind of going in motion, whilst you're getting that foundation right before actually taking the plunge and setting that company up. Well, the good news is all of these costs are tax deductible, so you can treat them as if they incurred on the first day that the property business started to trade. So if you've incurred these costs in your own name, you've only recently set your limited company up, what's going to happen is that's going to go into your director's own account. So these are expenses that rightfully belong to the company. They're trading expenses, well, pre-trading expenses, and they're going to go to your director's loan account. And this is money that you can take from your limited company completely tax-free. Just to say, when you were employed, you used to give your employer a copy of expenses or an invoice or something, and they'd repay you. The same applies to your limited company. You could either be repaid for these or leave them outstanding on your director's loan account. The tax implications are exactly the same. So you've got up to 7 years to claim these. Make sure you've got your receipts because you'll need those. Treat them as if they incurred on the first day that the business started to trade, and that's it. I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, so I know you're enjoying it. I know to keep on doing it. And otherwise, make sure you check out my most recent video here, just up there, my most recent tax saving video. And if you like what you're seeing, make sure you subscribe because we're putting out a lot more tax saving content on a regular basis. Happy watching.